Never leave a glass of water on your windowsill for 3 weeks. Seriously, don't. Because I did, and I accidentally created Microscopic Jurassic Park. Today, we are going on a safari to meet the weirdest, deadliest, and most dramatic roommates I never asked for. First up, meet Piranha. This guy looks like a tiny green sausage, but don't let that fool you. See that massive whip sticking out of its head? It's not a weapon. It's a blind man's cane. Piranha just stumbles through life, literally slapping the floor to feel where it's going. It looks green, which makes you think it's a peaceful vegan plant. Nope, it's actually a colorless predator that just devoured so many local algae cells it looks like a walking salad. It moves 5 times slower than any normal microbe. But hey, if you were a blind sausage, you'd walk slow too. But if you think the blind sausage is weird, look at this. This is Heliozone, the sun animalcule. It looks like a glowing glass star or a neon green sea urchin that drifted into the wrong neighborhood. Those giant needles aren't for decoration. This is highly advanced toxic death trap. The surface of these spikes is coated with specialized paralyzing glue. It sits there, barely moving, looking all beautiful and zen, waiting for some chaotic neighbor. And right on cue, into the ciliates. These guys are the hyperactive toddlers of microworld. No thoughts, just speed. They fly around like racing cars, totally ignoring the giant spiky minefield right next to them. One wrong turn and they instantly get stuck and paralyzed. It's like watching a high-speed chase where the cops are just waiting in ambush. So yeah, nature is brutal, even in a forgotten cup of water. Hit that subscribe button for more micro safaris and clean your windowsill. See ya.